Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To unmute your TV sound, press the mute button again or increase the volume using your remote control. If these steps don't work, ensure that the TV isn't connected to an external speaker or headphones via Bluetooth or a physical connection, which might be diverting the sound. Additionally, check your TV's audio settings to confirm that the sound isn't turned down or off within the settings menu. If the issue persists, there might be a hardware problem, and contacting the manufacturer or a professional technician is advisable.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.